face down, kinda like the way I let it go. Don't tell me to calm down, I'm about to tear this fucking place down. No, I ain't afraid of letting go. Don't tell me to calm down.
Tries to take the pace, doesn't he? Has a bit more drive coming out of that corner, but Rossi stood strong. Stoner in second position once more, around the outside, going up the Rahal straight. Unbelievable stuff from Casey Stoner, and Rossi comes straight back at the corkscrew. We haven't seen action like this as Rossi runs off track and pushes Stoner wide. What amazing stuff here. It's Valentino Rossi and Casey Stoner duking out there, doing so in the championship, and Stoner almost tries to go around the outside at turn 10. This is unbelievable stuff. Stoner leads for Valentino Rossi. Rossi
same move again.
Going to make it one more time up turn 5 and goes through, but will Stoner have the drive coming out of it? Rossi just seems to have the edge there, doesn't he? Close this time, trying to get the drive out enough to take him past Valentino Rossi and be able to get in front of him. Going into turn through, he's through one more time. So Casey Stoner does make a move on the front straight, as we said. Rossi's going to try and get straight back underneath him, and Stoner's going to keep the bike stuck in there, isn't he?